Hey guys, this is Lab 2, Measurement and Error. We're using plastic discs. Okay, in this lab, the objective is to determine the numerical value of pi by analyzing the relationship between the circumference and the diameter of a circle. Now we know that circumference equals 2 pi r, and 2r is d, so circumference equals pi d. So what would you get if you had circumference on the y and d on the x, and you graph the data? You would get a slope of pi, 3.1415. Okay, so in this scenario, you have 6 plastic discs of different sizes, and you have a tape measure. You take the tape measure and you wrap it around the disc. Okay, so it says use the tape measure to measure the diameter of each disc and record it in centimeters. Measure the circumference of each disc, record it in centimeters. Okay. In this lab, we're doing a little bit different. We're using the vernier to measure the diameter a little more exact, but we're using the tape measure to measure around. So we're going to have 2 different least counts and 2 different absolute errors. Remember that the vernier is measured in millimeters, so you have to give an extra decimal point. Okay. So you're going to do all that, look at all the numbers, read it, and then you have to perform the LSQ. The LSQ, I have put a video in Lab 2 section for LSQ, how to do an LSQ. You're going to be doing LSQs for graphs all semester long, so make sure you know how to do that. All right. Least count, absolute error, LSQ for C versus D. So C versus D is basically just taking the slope of the line, okay? Or C divided by D average is you take your 6 C's and your 6 D's and you find your pi, and then you just do it, average that number 6 times, okay? And then the slope versus that. Okay? So if we look down here, trial number 1, this is 50.97 millimeters is the diameter of the first disc. So that would be 5.097 centimeters. What's the least count? All right, if we move that decimal over here, it'd be 0.001. All right, 0.001 is the least count. The absolute error would be 0.0005, half of that. Okay, and then we scroll down, and this shows you the circumference. This black line here, so that's like 16.1 centimeters. Okay, it's where this black line overlaps the mark. Okay, got it? And you're going to keep doing that as you go through. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and just do it over and over and over again. Okay, good luck and have fun.